Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nagaland, fuel price rise to pinch a hole in many pockets. Nagaland records 192 positive cases and 13 COVID deaths on May 30. One killed in accident. NPF and NPP attack government's failure to pay doctors. Churches ask not to float lockdown rules. DLST condemn alleged abuse of minor. News in details. Nagaland, fuel price rise to pinch a hole in many pockets. Amid the lockdown due to second wave of COVID-19 in the state of Nagaland, fuel price rise is set to pinch a hole in many pockets, indicating extra burden for the people who are already under financial impact due to the pandemic. According to Indian Oil Corporation official website on Sunday, petrol price in Dimapur is 92.71 per litre, diesel price is 86.99 per litre. While in state capital Kohima, petrol price is 93.66 per litre and diesel is rupees 87.75 per litre. Nagaland records 192 positive cases and 13 COVID deaths on May 30. Nagaland reported 192 COVID positive cases, 13 deaths related to COVID-19 and 109 recoveries on Sunday, May 30, 2021 updated the Health Minister S. Pangiform. With 192 new COVID-19 positive cases on Saturday, the total tally of positive cases rose to 21,563 and active cases stands at 5,050, the Health Minister updated. Out of 192 new COVID-19 positive cases reported, 80 cases were detected in Dimapur, 33 each in Kohima and Mokuchung, 12 in Zunabado, 11 in Mon, 7 in Peg, 6 in Voka, 3 each in Kifri, Peren and Tunsang, and 1 in Longlang, Pang News said. Also, the state recorded 109 recoveries of COVID patients, taking the total recovery tally in the state to 15,523. One killed in accident. One person died in a road accident at 6 Mile near Nagaland Bamboo Resource Center in Dimapur on Sunday. A traffic police official informed the news agency that the victim was speeding on a two-wheeler and collided with a road divider. He was taken to the hospital but later succumbed to his injuries. The official stated that the accident occurred at around 10:30 a.m. NPF and NPP attack government's failure to pay doctors. National People's Party Nagaland and Naga People Front have decreed the state government and the Department of Health and Family Welfare for the alleged lapse in timely payment of salaries of medical officers assigned for the COVID-19 duties in various districts. In a statement issued on Sunday, NPP stated that it was appalling to see how the ones who were risking their life to save numerous people were being denied of their own rights to earn a livelihood. It is in fact a crime to deny them their salaries and utterly wrong in every sense, no matter which way the government wants the public to look at it. As a matter of fact, these brave frontline workers should actually be the first one to be given their remuneration. The government is neither feeding them food nor paying their dues on time, and yet expect them to stand steadfast and work tirelessly. Churches ask not to float lockdown rule. Church leaders have expressed dismay over some churches in Kohima and elsewhere in the state floating COVID-19 norms and congregating at a time when the state along with the rest of country are facing an unprecedented second wave of COVID-19. The news agency reached out to some church leaders on Sunday to learn what they had to say on church activities, which have allegedly been going on despite the directives issued by the government to avoid any form of social gathering. It is a human problem and not a denominational affair this time, nor about denominational likes or dislikes over worship pattern, he said, adding that it is wrong to think that one church is more spiritual so that they could violate all the government directives and gather in the church. I think that is very wrong reasoning, he remarked, stating, it is not a spiritual contest. DLST condemn alleged abuse of minor. The office of Dimapur Langpangkong Senso Tolangjam has condemned the alleged physical abuse of a minor by a couple in Sematila Colony, Dimapur. In a press release on Sunday, DSLT President SN Meran Jamir and Secretary Senti Meran stated that the incident was an extreme disregard of the law and against the basic tenet of a civilized human being. Children have the right to be protected from being hurt and mistreated, physically or mentally, or any form of discipline involving violence is unacceptable, it added. Such practice has no place in civilized society and therefore we condemn such practices in the strongest term and adopt a zero-tolerance approach towards any sort of violence against children even in the future, the release stated. That's all for now. To get us latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.